Mindset of a trader, something very, very important. Having a good trading mindset, but also in general in life, you need to have a healthy mindset to execute your plan, you know. Mindset, trading tools, assets to trade, journal and the right trading plan, and the execution. It's all that matters. Mindset of a trader is, if you ask me, the most important thing to run this journey, create it as a successful business. Because yes, you have to see it as a successful business. A healthy mindset, a structured plan, and being able to execute your plan, you know. Yeah, and what works the best for you, of course, you know. Create your own masterpiece and create your own plan in that, you know. There are different tools available to push you in the right direction. Supply in a month is one of them, and order flow to get a little bit more deeper understanding of the markets in terms of the order flow created by the big whales, the large orders, the financial institutions and banks, because they are moving the markets, you know. No doubt about that, and we all know that. And being able to really anticipate in those sessions, you know, very critical. The most common mistakes which is made by a lot of individuals, traders, is trying to focus yourself on 15 different things. It's also not a thing that you do in life. You don't run 15 different businesses. So with trading is the same thing, you know. Try to focus yourself on one or two assets. For example, if you're trading the New York session, you focus yourself on a USD related pair. That can be gold, US30, GBP USD, Euro USD. Pick two assets and master them. Become the master of it, you know. Each pair has his own behaviors. For example, if you're trading Euro USD is an asset that trading nice around the edges, but it's less spiky if you compare that with gold. So gold is way more liquid, so you see a lot of liquidity spikes within levels. So try to understand, try to do your studies in terms of price behaviors. But the thing is, if you're focusing on 15 different things, each asset has its own behavior, so that can be really stressful, you know, for the mindset of a trader. So keep your trading mindset on point. Very, very critical. Another thing is also very important, a plan, a journal your trading, you know. Like I said, if you trading the New York session, you're more than likely trading USD related pair. But if you're trading the Asia or Sydney session, you're more than likely you trade a GPY related pair or an out related pair. Understand the assets you trade, understand the sessions you trade. Very important, and include this in your plan. Okay. Also, another thing is screenshot your trading. Create yourself a journal, a plan that you can review after a week of trading, for example. So you took, for example, 5 trades last week, 2 were winners, 3 were losers. Understand those losers, understand those winners, and review your trading plan. I can give more examples, but these are really critical things within your trading too. Having a structured plan, having a good mindset, you know, it's be a disciplined trader. Really, really, really important. Execution, most important thing. Like I said, having a plan and make it as easy as possible for your brains, you know. Do you trade the New York sessions? Do you only trade 2 assets, GBP, GPY, or US30? Do you have your plan in order? Do you stick to this plan? Question yourself this, you know. Ask yourself this, and it will definitely gives you extra push in the right direction if you're following this plan. And also execution wise, it's critical if you ask me. So definitely wish you the best. Peace.